I know I have the best of time and space, and was never measured and never will be measured. I tramp a perpetual journey. Come, listen all. My signs are a rainproof coat, good shoes, and a staff cut from the woods. My left hand hooking you round the waist, my right hand pointing to landscapes of continents and the public road. Perhaps you've been on it since you were born and did not know. Perhaps it is everywhere, on water and on land. This day before dawn I ascended a hill and looked at the crowded heaven, and I said to my spirit, when we become the enfolders of those orbs and the pleasure and knowledge of everything in them, shall we be filled and satisfied then? Not I, not anyone else can travel that road for you. You must travel it for yourself.